Alright, so you saw in the first video where I did the cold start on this thing, and the voltage is actually steady now. And now we're going to air up a few balls. This is the one I really need to air up because this is going to somebody I know, the camouflage basketball. God, this ball's been flat for a while. Air him up. Turn it off for a second. It is so cold, the temperature gauge has not even moved since I started this car. Alright, that's how you air up some balls around here, guys, when you don't have an air compressor with a jumper box anymore. Use the car, because this thing's got them load levers on it, so I have a built-in air compressor to use whenever I need to air up some balls. Yeah. So there you go, guys. Drop a like, comment down below, subscribe for more videos and cold starts. I'm your host, Captain Namco, saying thanks for watching. Stay warm out there, everybody, if you have to be out and about. And do allow your car to run in these kind of cold temperatures as long as it needs to. I mean, our car's been running, I've been out here for about 10 minutes and temperature gauge hadn't even moved. So, it is pretty cold, so it needs to run a little bit. But it looks like the battery's starting to take a charge, which is a plus. But anyway, guys, thanks for watching, y'all.